Hello, Kabayan. Today, we'll ask the Filipino about their favorite motorcycle bike. So let's see the answers. For me, my favorite is Ducati. Okay, which brand of motorcycle you like?
Kawasaki Ninja.
Ninja? Ikaw?
Honda Rebel.
Honda. Why you like Kawasaki?
I don't have any reason, but that's my dream.
Your
dream
dream
motor.
bike, okay.
Yeah.
And you, sir?
Well, it's kinda cool, like, driving a big bike.
Mhm.
It's fulfilling, cool looking.
Good looking. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
English. Hindi ako nag-review.
Your dream motorcycle bike?
My dream motorcycle bike is Ducati, Panigale Ducati.
Ducati.
Version 2, of course.
Yeah, me too also. I like Ducati. Ikaw,
Ducati,
ma'am, what's your favorite?
Only Yamaha for girls.
Scooter. They like scooter. She like scooter.
Scooter.
Yes, just scooter. I
why,
mean,
why you like Ducati?
I like on the truck.
A truck,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
one, yeah.
I want also to play on the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, like also gain speed. I want also the speed.
Yeah, I like the speed also
Yeah.
too. Yeah. So the dream is dream.
Yeah.
But will come true one day.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You claim it.
Thank you. Your dream motorcycle bike.
Um, my dream motorcycle bike is just a 400cc maxi scooter.
Why?
It's very convenient and will be easy to use.
Please do this. And you, ma'am, what's your
My favorite motorcycle would be NMAX
Max?
because I just so love it. That's nice.
What's your favorite motorcycle bike?
BMW,
BMW. Why?
because the designs are beautiful.
Okay, and what else?
That's so
That's it? You don't like it fast? No?
fast.
You like the noise of the motorcycle also?
Yes.
I like the noise also. What is your favorite motorcycle bike?
It's a Honda CBR 1000 RR R Fireblade SP. That's my favorite.
That means you are in love with it because you know all the name until the end.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's my
Why?
favorite
Why you like it?
because it's so fast, and the exhaust is very
So noisy, huh?
and the colors.
The best. Favorite motorcycle bike?
I like Royal Enfields, especially their Interceptor 650s and GT 650s.
Wow. Too much information.
Yeah, mainly because of the looks, also their history.
Okay. And why you like it?
'Cause I just really like the looks.
Like the looks, huh?
Yeah, and it's something in between of the limit of the CC here in the Philippines for
Okay.
it to be used in
There is
expressways.
there is limit here for the CC.
Yeah, 400 CCs at least.
Oh,
But I don't want to go beyond 1,000 CCs.
why,
So
beyond
it's something in between.
beyond 1000 cc, what will gonna happen?
You can still use it. I just don't like it too big.
Okay,
So it's not the minimum. So it's something in between.
between yeah. What is your favorite motorcycle bike?
Well, I would say it's the Kawasaki Ninja.
Kawasaki Ninja. Wow. Why you like it?
Well, it's famous here in the Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
I'm seeing a lot of like motorcycle riders using that.
Yes.
So just for experience.
Yeah, it's one of the best. Yeah. So one day you'll have it for sure. Thank you. Is your favorite motorcycle brand?
Kawasaki.
Kawasaki.
Yeah.
Which one? Which type?
Z400.
And why you like it?
I like its overall design.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, design is very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah. Thank you so much. What is your favorite motorcycle bike?
Ninja, sir.
Ninja?
Yes.
Why?
It's my dream motorcycle. When I grow up, I want to buy that, and me and my friends, we should ride together.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, you know how to drive manual?
No.
You need to drive.
I'm trying to learn it, sir.
Right.
Yes.
It's very, very nice to drive that one.
Yes. I want to learn it.
Your favorite motorcycle bike?
My favorite motorcycle bike would be Ducati.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's my favorite also.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Do you have your Ducati?
No, I wish I have it.
Okay. The reason why it's my favorite because it's very powerful. It's a muscular bike.
Yeah, sure, 100%. Yeah. Agree. Thank you.
No problem.
Your favorite motorcycle bike?
Oh, Ninja.
Ninja?
Yep.
Why? Bakit?
Yung forma niya, yung dating niya. Mas maangas.
Okay. Nice.
That's it.
That's it? Okay, sure.
Yep.
Okay. That's motorcycle.
Motorcycle. It's actually PCX.
PCX?
Yeah.
Why you like it?
The looks, the ambience, and the handling.
So, what about sport motorcycle you like?
Not that much.
Not much, oh?
Yeah, I just want a chill ride.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
This is for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. In the few days, there'll be more challenging questions. Prepare yourself. Prepare your answers. Here's Syrianong Pinoy from the Philippines.